One health tip that changed my day. Hey, welcome back to Healthy Living. So I've been trying something super simple lately. And honestly, it's changed my day in a way I didn't expect. Ready for it? It's just drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning. Before coffee, before scrolling my phone, before anything. That's it. I used to wake up feeling groggy, like my brain was stuck in mud. Turns out, after sleeping all night, your body's dehydrated. It's been hours without water. So I started keeping a glass by my bed. And as soon as I wake up, I chug it. Nothing fancy, just tap water. Maybe 8 ounces. Here is what I noticed. Within 20 minutes, I feel sharper. Less like a zombie. It's not magic, it's science. Water kickstarts your metabolism, flushes out junk from the night, and gets your energy flowing. I read somewhere it can even help with headaches if you're prone to those. For me, it's like hitting a reset button before the day even starts. Look, I'm not saying it's a cure-all, but it's so easy it's almost stupid not to try. No expensive gear, no weird diets, just water. I've been doing it for a couple weeks now, and it's sticking. So here's my challenge. Try it tomorrow morning. 1 glass right when you wake up. Let me know in the comments if it does anything for you. I'd love to hear. And if you like little tips like this, hit subscribe. I've got more simple stuff coming your way. See you next time. End with a smile and a wave.